Hello everyone and welcome back. We're out at the range today with my P226 in 9mm. This is the Elite. It was the Alloy Stainless Elite, which is a Tallow Edition exclusive. Has the walnut grips with the Sig logo, alloy frame, stainless steel slide. Has the Elite beaver tail on it. So we're going to load this up. We've got wind, and we've got the North Georgia firearms and ammunition reloads. Again, it was 80 bucks for the box of 500. Shut up about it. And then we've got the Fiocchi and the American Eagle. So let's get it loaded up and see how he shoots. Alright, so we got it loaded up with the North Georgia firearms. Got 15 rounds in each of the mags. Let's see how it does. Felt like roosted there for a second. I couldn't count. Did I just get rained on? Okay, we've got our last 25 rounds of the North Georgia firearms ammunition. Shoot that, then we'll switch over to the American Eagle and shoot that. Okay, we got our 50 rounds of American Eagle. I got 10 rounds in each mag. Didn't have a problem with those. I'm going to load up the Fiocchi, do our 50 rounds of that, and then put our Sig self-defense ammo in here. If everything runs with both of those, this one will be ready to clean and put in the rotation. Okay, we've got 2 magazines loaded up with 10 rounds, 2 magazines loaded up with 15. That will be the last of my 200 round break-in, test, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll switch over to the Sig Sauer V-Crown self-defense hollow points. Make sure those run alright, then it'll clean up, go into service. Alright, 15 plus 1 of the Sig Sauer V-Crown, 124 grain, jacketed hollow point. Alright, so there was the video of the Sig P226 Elite in 9mm. Here at the range. Ran my 200 and my box of carry ammunition through it. Didn't have any problems. I'm going to get this cleaned up, put it into service. This will be a good one for Every Second Matters, or just anytime I feel like carrying something that looks this good. Because when you look like this, you got to carry something that looks like this and evens out. So, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.